Latin America stock market showed broad-based gains today, reflecting the renewed investor confidence and optimism across the major indices. The Dow Jones Industrial Average led the charge in the United States, climbing 287 points to close at 40,000 and a rise of 0.70%, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq posted more modest gain of 0.50 and 0.27% respectively. Also, the continued upward momentum and monument have also been the S&P 500 that monuments to the now 5,000 and also the growing confidence in the large cap equities. The CBOE Volatility Index, that is the VIX, often referred to the fear gauge, dropped significantly by 4.89% to reach 23, signaling the reduced market anxiety. The Russell 2000, which targets small cap stocks, also moved higher by 0.33%, indicating the broader participation in rally. In the Canada, the S&P TSX Composite surged 0.50 and the TSX 60 outpaced with a gain of 0.81%, suggesting strength in the blue chip Canadian stock. Also, the Latin America markets were fixed, with the Mexico's IPC jumping 1.05% and the Chile's IPSA performing and of the regional peers with the 1.29% gains. Brazil's Bovespa was the lone major laggard, slipping 0.09%, likely on the localized economic or political concerns. Overall, today's market performance reflects resilient investor sentiment amid a backdrop of stabilizing volatility and also ongoing macroeconomic developments. Commodities market posted the modest but broadly positive gains today, with the energy and the metal leading the way. The West Texas Intermediate WTI crude oil edged up 0.65% to reach $58.45, while the Brent crude oil followed closely, rising 0.67% to reach $62, both sitting near the lower end of their 52-week ranges. Also indicating continued pressure from the oversupply concerns or the weak demand signals, natural gas remained largely flat, inching up just 0.05% to reach $3.95 despite the trading volume and the higher band of its annual range. In the precious metal, gold climbed 0.85% to reach $3,417, continuing its bullish trend and approaching its 52-week high, a likely reflection of ongoing demand for the safe haven assets amid the macroeconomic uncertainty. Silver also gained 0.64% to reach $33, supported by similar investor sentiment and industrial demand. In the agricultural sector, soya beans made a minor move higher, up 0.19 for the reaching of the $10.41 as the market participants weigh the crop yield expectations and export dynamics. Also, overall, today's commodity performances suggest a cautiously optimistic tone, with the metals signaling inflation hedging and the energy market showing some stability despite the lingering